Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for March 23rd, 2020. Today we're looking at the NZDUSD, the New Zealand dollar, versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. Now we are here looking all the way out on the monthly time frame. Some historical levels have been being reached over the past several weeks, and of course it's important to always look back in time and make sure we are aware of where these boundaries are and the possibilities, because if we look back here 2008 2009 time frame, the last time the market challenged the 0.5550 level, bouncing around in that area for a while, a couple of months here into this area, and then even zipping on down here. Let's get another horizontal line, put it down here closer to the 0.5 thousand level down there at the very bottom. So the potential is still there for further movement lower. If you look back at 2008, potential is we could see another 500, 550 pips lower if the market were to do something similar to what it did back there in 2008. As it pressured through the 0.5555 level, could even go another 550 pips lower. Not saying it will, just saying something that there is potential for that. Of course, there's always potential for the reversal as well. These are very different days that we are trading in. So just wanted you to see that history there before we zoom it into the current market daily time frame. Past couple of days just been bouncing around here. Green zone 0.5855, 0.5835, orange zone 0.5760, 0.5735. Current blue zone, which is our support, 0.5660, 0.5625, and we are challenging that support today. We're seeing a challenge of it, potential break below the blue shaded area, and the yellow zone 0.5550, 5520 is our next support. So if we get the break out of the blue zone, continues down to the yellow zone. Now we've already seen a break of the yellow zone has potential to move back even further lower. We'll go back in time, 2008, 2009, study that historical area in the live trade room later today to see where the boundaries are between the 5550 and the 0.55 or the 0.5 thousand level that we just looked at on the monthly time frame. Let's take a look at this blue zone on the 4 hour. As we look here, you can see a little bit of congestion around that level since market open. It's just been bouncing around between 56.25, 56.60, been bouncing around in there. Now attempting the breakout, attempting to get underneath. We'll talk about what a real breakout underneath that blue shaded area means later on in the trade room, looking for our volume and momentum to carry it down through to the yellow shaded area. When will we make that entry? I'm not in it yet, but when will we make that entry to target back down to the yellow zone or lower? The risk is right now that it gets back above the blue zone. So the closer, the deeper inside that blue zone that you could take a short, the better risk reward you're going to have, at least right now. Best case scenario, I think your stop loss is going to be top of the last resistance high here on the 4 hour time frame. Let me just turn that line into red. So your stop loss is going to be right about there. The high of that candle is 0.5690. So that's a pretty substantial stop loss from our current market price at 20. So the deeper you can get in there, the more better timing you can get for the trade, will help you get better risk reward rather than putting it so far away. Maybe you decide to bring it down to 65 or so, 70, might get a better risk reward. Targeting the yellow zone again, or on the way down beyond the yellow zone, could even see new lows. Risk right now is that it breaks back above the blue zone. So we're looking for the shorts under the blue zone, targeting lower levels in the direction of the long-term trend. We're targeting historic levels on the way down through the yellow zone. The risk right now is back above the blue zone for the New Zealand dollar.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.